Mr. and Mrs. Reynolds, this is Grant Putnam here. Just want to go over what we found when we investigated your irrigation situation. All right, so right now you actually have rotary heads. So rotary heads are those heads that shoot the water. It's typically only designed for lawn areas, never for plants, but it shoots the water roughly 30 to 35 feet. Mist heads are usually designed to shoot over a shorter distance. And then drip line, which is the hose that you put underneath the ground that has little holes in it, roughly every 12 to 18 inches. That's typically designed for plants. So the common sense approach on this is the reason why drip line works better is that as the plants grow and they get bigger, you can imagine if you're trying to spray with overhead water, as the plants get bigger, you're going to have to keep on relocating the heads because the flow or the spray of the water is going to get blocked from overgrown plants. So the reason why irrigation companies like to put in mist heads and rotary heads for watering plants is that it's a major profit center down the road to have to replace the heads, because every time you replace a head, it's roughly $90, $100 to replace a head. The drip line, the worst thing that can happen is that a rodent or a mouse bites through it, and it's much cheaper to fix that than it is rotary heads. So it's the cost benefit, and it's also the functionality that you're going to get much more adequate water for all the plants when you have drip line versus rotary heads that the spray, the flow of the water is going to get blocked over time as the plants change in size. Okay, so anyway, whoever put your system in did it the wrong way, and I'm going to give you the option in this quote to change it to what I think is going to work best. Okay, so